Sometimes you have a lengthy document and you want to build in a navigation system for users to be able to go to the certain information that they want to get to easily. I'm going to use this IGP document as an example to show you two different ways on how you can build in either a table of contents that you can click on and take you to certain areas, or use bookmarks to be able to click throughout your document. I'm first going to show you the bookmarks example. So first of all, the document already has these go to February 4th, 11th, and 18th. So I'm just going to find that first February 4th, highlight it, click on Insert, and then go down to Bookmark. If I click on each of these areas and add a bookmark, then I can later go on and add links to each of the bookmark. So I'm back to the top. Here's my navigation. I'm going to highlight February 4th. This time I'm going to insert a link right here at the top. And the links that I'm going to find are under the Bookmarks tab. So this first one is for February 4th. And then February 11th. Now I've created links to each part of the document. Just click on where the link is, and then click on the link below it. Now, there's also at the top of the document. If we want to do that, we can simply highlight a part of the top of the document that you want the user to go to. I'm just going to have them go to the school goal and insert a bookmark there. Now, anywhere that has top of the document, I can insert a link that goes to the school goal. The other thing that I can do for this is I can copy and then paste this everywhere I want to have a link to the top of the document inside the document. So I can just click on this and it'll take me back to the top. Now the other way that we can do this is we can use a table of content. So if I go to Insert, Table of Contents, right now I don't have anything in the table of contents because the way that it works is it goes off of the paragraph style. So what you'll need to do is highlight the first place that you want to go have as your first chapter for the table of contents, highlight it, and then go to Format, Paragraph Styles, and then you'll need to use one of the 6 heading styles. If it's a major heading, obviously start with heading 1, and then you can go down to subheadings. Hover over heading 1, click on Apply Heading 1, and do this for all of your major headings. Now if you go back to the top where you have your table of contents, you actually have to refresh it before it will pick up on the new headings that you've just created. So click on Refresh, and now you can see we have links to our major headings. For the table of contents, you don't have a way to go back to the top, so that's something that you'll have to think about. But creating a table of contents I like because it's a little bit easier than typing out your own links like we have here. So maybe if you use a combination of the table of contents to go to the certain areas and then use the bookmarks to go back to the top of the document, I think that's a good way to navigate throughout your document without having to scroll through and find things manually. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to follow up with me.